Greetings from beautiful Kauai. As I've been here, my intention, as it has been lately, is to be very, very present and meditative in all my experiences. And Kauai is a wonderful place to do that. And something that's been coming to me, and maybe you've heard this before if you've meditated or listened to any sort of Dharma teachings, and maybe you haven't. But it's very important that we learn to and we practice softening into all experiences and embracing all of our experiences with a really compassionate yes. And in a world where we're talking about boundaries and learning to say no, I know it can feel a little confusing to talk about saying yes, because I talk about boundaries and learning to say no all the time. But part of saying yes and going into a deeper yes is even saying yes to your no. Yes to this thing that is a no for me. And yes to this discomfort. Yes to this pain. Yes to this difficulty. And softening into it. The yes is allowing. Back in the day when I did improv, it was always taught to us, yes and when you are on stage improvising with another person. And this can be taken as when you are here improvising with all of life, just as life is improvising and so are you. It's important to show up with a yes and. Yes, there's this. And I'm here for it. Or whatever it is for you. So, traveling isn't always easy. Being at home in your own space isn't always easy. Life isn't always easy. We know this. I don't even need to say it, right? So just learning to say yes. Yes to the discomfort. Yes to the parts that aren't easy. Yes to dash expectations. Yes, I accept that this is happening. I accept this as part of my human experience. And this is part of having a human experience, right? So I just wanted to talk about that. That's something I've been meditating on, is just yes. Yes to the fact that I'm not sleeping in as much as I wanted to sleep in while I was in Kauai. Yes, okay, I'm here for that. Now what? I accept that this is how it is. Now what? Yes to the next thing. Okay? I hope you find that helpful. There's just a softening and an ease to that. Yes, saying yes to whatever is and allowing. All right, I won't keep going on about it. Just wanted to say hi. Like, I'm walking this path on my way back to my to my place, and I just love that I just went from this beautiful ocean space into this like graffitied wall. Anyway, okay, sending you so much love today. May you stay with yourself today and always.